Is your front tooth broken and it's affecting your smile? What can be done for the broken front tooth? A front tooth can be broken either due to a blow, you have a fall, or there is a direct blow or an indirect blow, or the tooth may be having a cavity which has gone unnoticed, you don't know about it, and you bite on something really hard and the tooth just fractures and breaks off. So what can be done in such a situation? Visit your dentist. There are various treatments depending on the amount of the tooth that is broken. If there is a chip or a minor breakage, the tooth can be restored or repaired with a dental bonding method. The dentist will use a tooth-colored resin material, composite, will shape it to the adjacent tooth and it is bonded to your tooth. So the tooth can be restored with a dental bonding method. The second option to restore the tooth is a veneer. A veneer is a thin shell of porcelain or composite resin that is bonded to your tooth. It's just like a false nail. The false nail that we put over a natural nail. Similarly, veneer is a thin shell. The dentist will just remove very minimum amount of the tooth structure and get the veneers made from the laboratory and bond it to your tooth. And you're good to go. The third option, if the tooth is broken quite a lot, if the inner layer of the tooth, that is the pulp, is exposed, then a root canal treatment may be necessary. So after the root canal treatment, a crown can be given, crown or cap can be given. Crown can be of various types. It could be of all ceramic, zirconia, porcelain fused to metal. A dentist will have a look at you, give you the options, and the kind of crown can be decided. If the breakage has not reached the pulp, the tooth can just be restored with a crown. The similar kinds of crown can be used to restore the tooth. So 3 methods of restoring the broken tooth are dental bonding, veneers and crowns. Visit your dentist immediately. If by chance you have rough edges of the broken tooth which are hurting your lips, a tip is to just apply chewing gum over the rough edge and visit your dentist immediately to avoid any further injury. Thank you.